Good morning, children. In the last class, we have learnt about length, the subtraction and addition of length. Okay. Today we'll learn about weight and how to measure it, and addition and subtraction of weight. Okay. We measure the weight of an object or our own weights in grams or kilograms. Children, to weigh any object we use grams or kilograms. Okay, to weigh the mass of any object we use grams or kilograms. Okay, see, the weight of humans are measured in kilograms. Yes, kilograms, in short form it is written as kg, and gram is written as g. Okay, this is kilogram and this is gram. Okay, and the weight of small objects is measured in gram. Okay, here kg is bigger and gram is smaller. Gram is smaller than this kg. See here, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Okay, see here, 1 kilogram is 1000 times greater than grams. Okay, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, and half kilogram is equal to 500 grams. Quarter means 1/4 of kilogram is equal to 250 grams. Okay, we should remember that to weigh any object we use grams and kilograms. See, whenever you go to any grocery shops or to buy vegetables, they use grams or kilograms only to weigh the vegetables or fruits. Okay, see here, this is a simple balance and this is electronic balance. Okay, we use this simple balance or electronic balance to weigh the objects, okay, or things. See, for example, if you want to weigh the fruits, then we can use this simple balance also and this electronic balance also. Okay, and these stones you can see, these are the weighing stones. These are called as weighing stones. Okay, then how to measure or weigh the things? See here, in simple machine, what we have to do, we have to keep the things which we want to buy one side and the weighing stones at the other side, and we should weigh the objects. Okay, now they have given one exercise here. Read the weight of the goods, write the answers. See here, children, in this picture, in this page, they have given few images. See here, first, these are the potatoes. Now we have to find and write what is the weight of these potatoes in grams or kilograms. Okay, they have given the weighing stones also and the objects also. Only we need to write the weight of the object here. Okay, see here, for example, this A1 you see, these are the potatoes. Okay, and the weight of the potato, these potato they have given as 5 kg, that is 5 kilogram. So what we'll do, the potatoes weigh 5 kilogram, we'll write 5 kg. Okay, means 5 kilogram. Now see here, these are the tomatoes, and the weight of the tomato they have given here 1 kg. So write, the tomatoes weigh 1 kg, like this. Okay, now you will write the weight of the apple, pumpkin, pencils, erasers, pencil, and the book. Okay, children, if they have given in kilograms, write kg, and if they have given in grams, then write g only. Okay, see, for example, here 6 pencils are there, and the weight of the 6 pencils they have given here 50 g, means 50 grams. So write only gram. Okay, the pencil weight is very less, so they have measured the pencil length in grams. So write the pencils weigh 50 gram. Okay, complete this page and send. Now we'll see the addition and subtraction of grams and kilograms. Okay, this is also simple addition and subtraction only. Okay, only we need to remember that we should write kg and grams in separate columns. Okay, we need to write kg one below the other and grams one below the other, and we need to add here. Okay, see for example, find the total weight here. A1, see, this is 300 kg and this is 500 kg. Okay, the total weight of the rice is now, how to write this, children? Both they have given here in kg only. Yes, this is also in kg and this also in kg. So what we'll do? We'll write here only kg. Okay, we'll not put these columns and rows. Okay, only in kg they have given, so we'll write directly and add this. Okay, first is 300 kg. Okay, and the second one is 500 kg. The total weight of the rice is, total weight means we need to add here. Okay, we need to add the kgs, that is weight. Write the kg as it is and add these numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 again 0, 3 plus 5 is 8. So the total weight of the rice is 800 kg. Okay, this rice packet contains 300 kg and this rice contains 500 kg. So the total weight of these two rice packets is 800 kgs. Okay, now see the next one. B1, the weight of the tomato is 750 grams. Okay, and the weight of these chilies is 150 grams. Now we should find out the total weight of the tomato and chili together. Okay, so write, both they have given in grams, so no need to draw the columns and rows. Directly we can add the grams here. Okay, 750 gram plus 150 gram. Okay, write gram as it is and add the numbers. 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 is carry over, 0 here down, then 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, the total weight of the vegetables, that is tomato and chili, is 900 grams. Okay, now add these two and write here. Okay, solve this sum and write here. Okay, now we'll see the next exercise. Find the sum. See A1, 20 kg 386 gram plus 30 kg and 248 grams. See here now, they have written kgs one below the other. Yes, that is in one column, and grams here in the one column. Whenever you solve the sums, you should keep the kgs one below the other and grams one below the other. Okay, and then add or subtract. Okay, now they have given here addition sign, so we need to add the numbers. Add the numbers. 6 plus 8 is 14, 1 carry over and 4 here down. 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 634 grams. And now add the kg. 0 plus 0 is 0, then 2 plus 3 is 5. So 20 kg and 386 gram plus 30 kg and 248 gram is equal to 50 kg and 634 grams. So write here 50 kg and 634 grams. Children, always we should write kg first and gram after this kg, because kg is bigger than this gram. So write first kg, then the gram. Okay, now we'll solve these three sums. Solve these three sums and send me. Now we'll see the subtraction of grams and kilograms. Okay, now we'll see this example here first. Sania bought 11 kg 475 gram rice and 6 kg 350 gram wheat. How much more rice did she buy than the wheat? See here children, Sania brought 11 kg and 475 grams rice and 6 kg and 350 grams wheat. So she has brought less wheat and more rice. Now we have to find here how much more rice did she buy from the market. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to put the columns and rows like this, then write kgs one below the other and grams one below the other. The bigger number should be written first and the smaller below this bigger. Okay, now subtract the numbers. 5 minus 0 is 5, 7 minus 5 is 2, 4 minus 3 is 1, then 11 minus 6 is 5. Okay, we can borrow here also and we can find the answers also. Okay, both the ways we can do. Okay, now see the exercise, find the difference. Okay, this is 140 kg sugar and this is 105 kg sugar. Now difference in weight of the sugar they have asked. Difference means we have to subtract the numbers here, that is we have to subtract the weights. Write the both they have given in kgs, so no need to draw the columns and rows, directly we can subtract the kgs only. Okay, write here 140 kg and this is 105 kg. Now the difference they have asked, so put the subtraction sign, then subtract the numbers. Kgs right here as it is, then 10, 0 minus 5 is not possible, make it 10 and cancel this. 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, now subtract the numbers. 10 minus 5 is 5, 3 minus 0 will be 3 only, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So the difference in weight of the sugar is 35 kg. Okay, now these two sums you will solve and you will send me. Now see the second exercise, subtract. See A1 kg, 38 kg and 18 kg, and in grams 789 grams and 256 grams. So we need to subtract the grams first, then the kgs. Okay, 38 kilograms, 789 grams, and 18 kilograms and 256 grams we need to subtract now. Okay, subtract the grams first. 9 minus 6 is 3, 8 minus 5 is also 3, 7 minus 2 is 5, 533 grams, and here 8 minus 8 is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2. Okay, so 20 kg and 533 grams. Okay, solve and write like this. Okay, write the gram first, then write the kilogram first, then gram. Okay, you will solve the B, C and D sums and you will send. Okay, solve all the problems on the weight, subtraction, addition of weight and send. Okay, thank you.